welcome to the amazing and wonderful world of NuCalm. Please put the NuCalm mask on top of your forehead. Now, turn on your noise-canceling headphones. This will allow the mathematics and physics underneath the music to bring you to a place of relaxation and recovery. Please open the NuCalm app. We highly recommend that for the first month of your NuCalm experiences that you select Rescue, as it is the strongest physics that we offer. Next, select the amount of time you would like to NuCalm for. Make sure that your phone is on Do Not Disturb and airplane mode to ensure you are not interrupted. You are now ready to begin. Please press the start button. As the beautiful music begins to play, let's check in with your breathing. Lay back, take a deep breath, then release it slowly and allow yourself to relax to this seamless state of serenity, calm, recovery, and restoration. May NuCalm be with you.